I feel sure that Muriel would make me a very good husband. I'd make Muriel a good wife. I feel sure that I'd make Muriel a good husband.
Well, young man, I have nothing against you personally, but you must remember the fact that you have no background.
What do you mean?
What I mean is that the Babbitt family tree has borne ripe and luscious fruit for many generations, and the man that marries my daughter must have blue blood coursing through every vein.
I admit that I never kept track of my ancestors, but if my father had lived to perfect his invention, he'd have made a great name for himself.
And what was his invention?
Well, he was working on a double pacifier for twins.
Did I surprise you?
No. Nothing you could possibly do would surprise me.
Shall we consider the interview closed?
Oh, pardon me. I ripped my handkerchief.
Well, as they say in the barber shop, you're next.
Hello, Mother, old dear. Have you a little pacifier in your home?
Oh, Ronnie, you do say such witty things.
Well, it looks like Ronnie's the head man.
Well, he may be with Mother, but he's not with me.
Yeah, but I haven't any blue blood capsules. My veins are the wrong color.
Listen, Charlie, I've a great idea.
Oh, yeah?
I read an advertisement in a magazine the other day about a firm, somewhere in Texas, who will trace your lineage back for hundreds of years and tell you just who your ancestors were. All for $1. Why don't you write to them?
Well, there's only one thing that stopped me.
What?
I haven't got the dollar.
Silly.
You mean to tell me that they find out just who your ancestors were?
Yes.
Say, that sounds like a great idea. I'll do it. I'll be seeing you. And so you see, Mrs. Clancy, that's the reason why I'm so anxious about that letter from Texas.
You know, that's funny, Mr. Chase. My husband was an inventor, too.
Oh, was he? What was it he invented?
Oh, it was a toupee with a great big bald spot to make it look like the real thing.
Pardon me, I happened to be passing and found this letter on the sidewalk. Does this party live here?
Mr. Charles Chase. Texas. Mr. Chase! It's here.
What is it?
Oh, it's here.
Oh, Mrs. Clancy, you're a thief. It's true. He recognizes me.
Yes, Charlie.
Huh?
No, not you. This one. Peanut?
No!
Hello?
Hello, Muriel.
Oh, hello, Charlie.
I got the letter from Texas all right.
Oh, good. I bet your family tree was just full of ancestors.
Yeah, but they were all swinging by their tails.
What do you mean? Why, I think that's wonderful. Tarzan was one of the most romantic figures I ever heard of.
Oh, yeah?
I have the book here that tells all about him. Wait a minute, and I'll get it.
Oh.
Charlie, listen to this. There. Now, what do you think of that?
Why, honey, I think it's marvelous. Believe me, from now on, I'm going to do everything I can to emulate Mr. Tarzan, too.
Muriel! What, Muriel, aren't you in bed yet?
Why, I was just going, Mother.
From now on, I'll show you I'm a romantic character. I'm going to grab you around the waist and swing you from tree to tree to my lair. And when I get you there, oh, boy, oh, boy, oh, boy. You know, nature in the raw is seldom mild.
Ah!
Hello?
She can't take it. Well, now for a little practice.
Good old Republican Party, still hanging around the water hole. Well, hello, old-timer. How's tricks?
Hello, Tarzan. Everything's great.
Oh, say, whatever became of that brother of yours that went to Hollywood?
Oh, Leo. He's still with MGM.
Well, listen, the next time you write to him, tell him to give my regards to Johnny Weissmuller.
Okay, Tarzan. I'll be seeing you.
Hello.
Hello.
Say, who invited him?
Oh, Junior?
Yes, Junior. You know I don't like him. Junior, give me that hat. Junior, give me that hat, you naughty boy. Junior, give me that hat. Oh, Junior, give me my hat. Honey? Who invited him?
Now, dear, Junior's mother received a very urgent call that her mother was ill. So she asked me to take care of him.
I suppose he'll have to sleep with me tonight.
No, dear. His father's going to call for him after business.
Oh, that
Now,
guy.
dear, remember he's your banker.
Yeah. I suppose we'll have to ask him to dinner tonight, too.
Why, that's a good idea. Oh, but Tarzan, I've only got 2 chops.
2 chops? Yes. Well, I'll have to get some more meat, because that guy sure has an appetite. No, just my luck, I get the neck. Oh, my dear, I'm sure he's going to like these peanuts on the half shell. That must be him now.
Well, as I live, Mr. Chadwick.
How do you do, Tarzan, old chap?
Very well, thank you.
I've come to thank you for taking care of Junior. Has he been a good boy?
Oh, he's been fine.
Then he shall have a lollipop.
Have a cigar?
Oh, thank you.
Oh, pardon me, dear. I forgot to get the baby's milk.
Oh, I'll get it, honey.
Oh, thank you.
You entertain Mr. Chadwick.
Oh, please don't bother about me. You're too busy with the dinner. I'll amuse myself. Run along.
Oh, thank you.
Very good.
You know, Tarzan, I love the old classics.
Oh, they thrill me. Oh, but speaking of music, have you heard my new radio?
A new one? What's the matter with the old one?
Oh, nothing, but I can get the police calls on this one. One of the few in the jungle that'll do it.
Really?
Would you like to hear them?
Oh, very much.
Warning all animals. Warning all animals. Mr. and Mrs. Martin Johnson are coming. Take to cover.
The Johnsons!
Oh, Junior! Junior!
Tarzan, what's the matter?
The Johnsons are coming! Get the baby quick! I'll warn the neighbors!
Whoa.
Oh, Tarzan, I can't ride him. He's too wild.
Well, then I'll get man of war. Come on, baby. Whoa. Give me the baby, dear. All right, get on. All right, dear. Give her the gun. I'll be right with you. Where's that nag? Huh?
Well, that's his car, all right. He must be somewhere around. Oh, there he is. Oh, Charley. Oh, Charley. Oh, Charley, are you hurt?
Huh? Where's the baby?
What baby?
Why, our baby.
Our baby?
Yeah.
Oh, you better come home. Come on.
Wait a minute.
Oh, here.
Don't worry, honey. I'll be all right.
Yes, but you better let me drive you home.
All right.
Oh, no, you don't. You're going home with me.
Well, what do you mean?
Come on.
Hey, what's the idea?
Well, I brought her here, and I'm going to take her home. See?
Oh, yeah?